Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change view only to edit in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Sheets document on my computer and I'm going to show you how we can edit from view only to edit in this Google Sheets. Okay, first of all, we can click on the share menu right here, and as you can see guys, anyone on the internet with the link can view this document, so they won't be able to edit this document. And I'm going to change the access to editor. If we want to change it, we can click on viewer right here, and then we're going to select editor, and anyone on the internet with the link can edit this Google Sheets document. And then once you're done, you can click on done, and you can share this Google Sheets link to your friend so they can edit your Google Sheets. You just need to click on a copy link and share it to your friends. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change view only to edit in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!